Hey friends, welcome to this episode of Learning Languages. Today we're going to discover a very special fable, The Ant and the Cicada. This story teaches us about work and responsibility. We're going to learn new words and a very important lesson. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before we start the story, let's learn some important words. Listen and watch each word. The word ant. It's a small, hard-working insect. The word cicada. 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 It's an insect that sings in the summer.
The word summer. 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 It's the hot season of the year.
The word winter. 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 It's the cold season of the year. The word work. 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 It's doing activities to get something. The word sing. It's making music with your voice. The word food. Food, it's what we eat to live.
The word cold. It's when the temperature is low.
Very good. You're ready to understand the story now. It was summer. The sun was shining and it was very hot. In a garden lived two very different friends, an ant named Anna and a cicada named Clara. Every day, Anna the ant worked from very early in the morning.
Good morning, son. I have a lot of work today. I need to find food for the winter.
Anna walked from one place to another. She carried grains of wheat, breadcrumbs, and small seeds. She stored everything in her home. Meanwhile, Clara the cicada woke up late.
What a beautiful day. I'm going to sing for all the animals in the garden. Life is beautiful.
Clara sang on the tree branches. Her voice was very pretty and everyone listened happily.
Hello, Clara. Why don't you help me gather food?
Work. But Anna, it's summer. It's time to have fun and sing. Winter is far away.
Clara, winter will be here soon. We need to prepare now.
Don't worry so much. When winter comes, we'll see what to do. Right now, I want to enjoy myself.
Anna kept working. Clara kept singing. Many summer days passed like this. One day the wind started blowing hard. The leaves fell from the trees. Winter arrived. Anna was in her cozy home. She had a lot of food stored away.
It's a good thing I worked in the summer. I have bread, seeds, and dried fruits. I can spend the whole winter peacefully.
But Clara the cicada was cold and hungry. She had no food and no warm home.
Oh no, I'm so hungry and so cold. I can't sing because I'm shaking. What am I going to do?
Clara remembered her friend Anna. She walked slowly to her house and knocked on the door.
Anna, please, can you help me? I have no food and I'm very cold.
Clara, I told you to work in the summer, but you're my friend. Come in, let's share my food.
Anna helped Clara all winter long. Clara learned a very important lesson.
Thank you, Anna. Now I understand. It's important to work and prepare for the future.
Yes, Clara, we can have fun, but we also need to be responsible.
The next year, the two friends worked together in the summer. Clara sang while helping Anna gather food. This fable teaches us that we should balance work and fun. It's good to enjoy life, but we also need to prepare for tough times. Now let's review the words we learned today. The word ant. The word cicada.
The word summer. The word winter. The word work.
The word sing.
The word food. The word cold.
Excellent, you now know these important words. And that was our story for today. The ant and the cicada taught us about the importance of hard work and friendship. Did you like this fable? Let me know in the comments what your favorite part is. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more stories in Spanish. See you in the next episode. Goodbye, friends.